Have you ever wondered why Uranus, one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system, orbits in what seems like the wrong direction? Today, we are diving into the mysteries of this distant, tilted giant and exploring the latest scientific discoveries that shed light on its unusual behavior. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, Saturn and Neptune. However, Uranus holds a unique position in our solar system due to its extreme axial tilt. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side with an axial tilt of approximately 98 degrees. This means that, for a portion of its orbit, one of its poles is pointed almost directly at the Sun. This unusual orientation results in extreme seasonal variations, with each pole experiencing 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. But what caused Uranus to adopt such an unusual tilt? Recent studies suggest that a colossal collision with an Earth-sized object in the early history of the solar system could be responsible. This massive impact would have been powerful enough to knock Uranus onto its side, drastically altering its rotation. This theory is supported by computer simulations that show how such a collision could create the observed tilt and also explain the planet's unique magnetic field, which is also tilted relative to its rotation axis. One fascinating aspect of Uranus is its retrograde rotation. While most planets in our solar system rotate in the same direction as they orbit the Sun, Uranus rotates in the opposite direction. This retrograde rotation is another clue pointing to a violent past. The same collision that tilted Uranus could have also caused it to spin in the opposite direction. Alternatively, some scientists propose that a series of smaller impacts or gravitational interactions with other bodies in the early solar system could have gradually altered its rotation. In addition to its unique tilt and rotation, Uranus is also known for its faint ring system and numerous moons. The planet has 27 known moons, with the largest ones being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. These moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope, adding a touch of literary elegance to this distant world. Uranus's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a significant amount of methane, which gives the planet its characteristic blue-green color. The methane absorbs red light and reflects blue light, creating a strikingly beautiful hue. However, the atmosphere is also home to some of the coldest temperatures in the solar system, dropping as low as -224 degrees Celsius. Recent observations by the Hubble Space Telescope and other advanced instruments have revealed more about Uranus's weather patterns. Despite its frigid temperatures, Uranus experiences dynamic weather, including massive storms and high-speed winds reaching up to 900 kilometers per hour. These findings challenge our understanding of how weather systems operate on ice giants and provide valuable insights into the atmospheric dynamics of exoplanets. In 2024, a new mission proposal to Uranus was put forward by the scientific community. This mission aims to send an orbiter and a probe to study the planet and its moons in unprecedented detail. If approved, this mission could launch in the early 2030s and revolutionize our knowledge of Uranus and its place in the solar system. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to think about Uranus and its fascinating journey. From its dramatic tilt to its retrograde rotation and dynamic weather, Uranus is a reminder of the complex and chaotic history of our solar system.